Hello everybody, this is Don, the Hillbilly Nature Guy. Today, I'm going to bring you the weather. It's not that great, it's pretty cloudy. The rain's on a break right now. Road's wet, about 36 degrees. They say it's going to get cold though, and windy. So there you have it for today. I'll just give you guys the weather. Can't wait for this snow to be gone. Come on, spring. Summer. Hiking, swimming, real views. Alright guys, well thank you very much for watching. I love you all. Oh, there's the wind. Hope you have a great day. And thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.